are going to study about the Thar Desert and the Deccan Plateau. So in the video ahead now, you will see everything. I have shown the geographical condition, I have shown the life of the desert, I have shown about Luni River, everything what is mentioned in your textbook. I have compiled a small documentary there, and you can find the life there. Third desert, as you must be knowing, because the only river Luni which flows through it is just, it has water during monsoons only. Or throughout the year, it also has either no water or very little water. So the government had made a very ambitious project, the Indira Gandhi Canal project, from which brings the river water from the Satluj from Punjab and irrigates the land in Rajasthan. Rajasthan has very scarce rainfall, very little rainfall, and due to which the mud is sandy. Sand dunes, which you are going to see in this video, is an integral part of the desert life of the desert. Just imagine that sand dunes keep on shifting. Just imagine that there is a big heap of sand in front of your house, and then at night you are going to sleep, and morning you will find that that big heap of sand has transferred to the house, 4th or 5th number to your house. It is because of the wind or due to the breeze, the sand keeps on eroding and flying and get deposited somewhere. So thus the sand dunes keep shifting. Life of Rajasthan is very colorful. People wear turbans and all, which is mentioned in your notebook, and you will see in this documentary also, in this video also. And coming to the Deccan Plateau, you will see that Deccan Plateau is the plateau. Just imagine that the map is A-shape, and here we have Indian map is this shape. After this whole area is Deccan Plateau, and the Madhya Pradesh and some parts of Jharkhand and the upper parts of Maharashtra, they come in the central highland, and rest, the inverted V, it is the Deccan Plateau, which I will be showing in the map. I have just attached a very beautiful map graphics also. You can see that, you can understand. I have shown the central highland, I have shown the Deccan Plateau, and because of the Satpura range and because of the Aravalli ranges, the monsoon winds from the ocean, the Arabian Sea or the Bay of Bengal, it does not go to Rajasthan, it just flies parallel, and thus Rajasthan becomes dried. And life in Deccan Plateau, the whole of the states, whether it's Telangana, Odisha, whether it is Karnataka, whether it's Tamil Nadu and all this comprises of the Deccan Plateau. Many cultures like Bidri artwork and all, it is there in Deccan Plateau. And most IT company, it is because it is a very vast area. Just imagine that half of India comprises of Deccan Plateau. So it is rich in ores. Ores means the raw form of metals and minerals. So many companies, even big factories, BHEL, HMT and all are situated in the Deccan Plateau. People here, IT sector, the Silicon Valley of India, known as the Silicon Valley of India, like Hyderabad and Bangalore and all is situated in Deccan Plateau. Many of your brothers, sisters, uncle, aunts, they must be studying there, working there, and thus the life of I have comprised the life of Deccan Plateau and the geographical conditions, the mountain ranges and all. You will find ahead in this video. So watch carefully this video and you will understand everything. Still then, if you have any doubt, you can post your queries in the WhatsApp group. Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India. This desert lies between India and Pakistan, with 85% of it within our country. This desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It is the 17th largest desert in the world. It occupies the region of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and a small part of Punjab and Haryana. As it is located towards the west, it is also known as the Western Desert. The soil of the desert is dry, sandy, and rocky. The winds blow on the sand dunes, often leading to the sandstorms. These winds are hot and dry. The region has very low rainfall, and the only river that passes through the desert is the Luni, which has very little water. With little water, hot summers, and cold winters, life is quite difficult here. Yet, it is densely populated, and 40% of Rajasthan's population lives here. The houses here are built with thick walls and flat roofs to keep the heat away. People love to wear colorful clothes, and men cover their heads with turbans. The state of Rajasthan has the Aravalli Mountains, which divides it into desert at one end and fertile region on the other, making it a state of contrast. The colorful culture and vibrant clothes make this place a famous tourist attraction globally. The Southern Plateau, making up the most of the central and southern regions of India, is the Southern Plateau. It extends over 9 Indian states, which include Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and parts of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is separated from the great Gangetic Plains by the Vindhya and Satpura mountains. The plateau resembles an inverted triangle and is broader towards the north and gets narrow as it goes down south. The Southern Plateau is divided into two sections by the Satpura Mountains. To the north of the Satpura is the Central Highlands, while the region towards the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands are made up of the Malwa Plateau and Chotanagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau includes some parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Chotanagpur Plateau includes parts of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Odisha. The Deccan Plateau is on the south of the Satpura and is rich in iron, gold, and mica. People speaking different languages and from various cultures live here. According to history, the Deccan Plateau has been home to many dynasties as well. Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune are some cities that are located on the Deccan Plateau. Various rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flow through the Deccan Plateau, which we have discussed earlier part of the chapter. Many hydel power projects like Hirakud Dam, like Metro Dam are built on the Deccan Plateau. Extensive mining in this area is destroying the natural resources, the forests, and the natural habitat of the wild animals and birds. Kurg, Kodaikanal are some places of visit or tourist attraction in this area. Art forms like Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Odissi, and the Bidri artwork are very famous from the Deccan region. Rice, cotton are the main crops grown here in this place. Saving Mount Everest is a project started on 22nd May 2013 in an attempt to keep the mountain clean. The increasing number of tourists to the Everest region has led to a major setback for this region.